Hi, it's Steffi from Steffi's Beads and Baubles. Don't be scared, the camera's in my hand. But I have a couple things going on tonight. One, the day got away from me. My daughter picked up the grandchild late. A dear friend of mine had to come over and pick up something. I didn't get to sit down till, oh my gosh, it was close to 6. What is it now? It's like 6:15 right now. My husband's on his way home from work, and I just am out of time. So I'm going to show you what I made, and I'm going to make another one for you on camera in my next video. But my hands, I'm having a lot of trouble with them today. Every so often that happens, and my fingers just, I think I ate too much salt yesterday. But this is one of the things I made that I'm going to, or the thing I finished that I'm going to make for you tomorrow or the next day. Tomorrow I have the shot in my eye, but I may feel better by the afternoon and be able to pull this off. But I was trying to do it right now, and I kept dropping everything because my hands are completely numb. But I promised you a video, and I didn't want to break my word. So this was one of the flowers. Now, I'm going to be honest with you. In my normal life, these are amber, and this is gray. I would never have put clear beads. I would have used these beads, or these colors. But the challenge was to use the bag and only the bag. So I divided up the bag into these beautiful piles. Now, I'm going to make this for you in my next video. But I just want to show you something. Now, another thing I'm going to do, because I love doing these bracelets. I've done charm bracelets for years. But I thought this would be a fun one to do. And I just do all these big chunky beads on it. So I will be doing that for you. And then I was playing a little bit with some earrings. These are a couple examples of my playing with the jewelry. That's how, I think I've mentioned it in another video, that's how I design my earrings, is I take the head pins and I just string all kinds of beads on. Now that's not a done deal yet. I've still got to think about it. Another item I'm going to do for you is a bookmark. If you see that loop, I'm going to put some beads on a string or on a wire and hang it down so that when this is in the book, this hangs down the spine of the book. So that's another one I'm going to do for you. And I wanted to show you because I glued the rhinestone into here. Now on camera it's glaring, but in person it's not quite as bad, but still bad enough. I'm going to probably have to glue a charm or something over that spot. But I did try. But I was worried, that's why I said that I was worried about the color. So I think that was in a video, I hope so. If it wasn't, and this makes no sense, I had to redo my last video about 4 times. So it may or may not have been in the last video. But this was a piece that was in the bag. I tried to repair it. I had a jar, this jar here of rhinestones. And they're gorgeous, bright clear. But I was concerned because I could see that these had kind of a blackish tint to them. And sure enough, I was right. So I'll find a little, I'll save this for at the end when I combine all the bags. And I'll find a charm that I can use on here. But I also found this really interesting, because I was looking for findings like charm bracelet blanks and stuff. And I had this in one of my videos way back when. Very interesting bracelet. I've never quite seen links like this. Very weird. So I am going to add some beads to this one as well. Not exactly sure what. And if I don't end up doing it in this video, which with the pearl on the end, I think it would be accurate to use this. This would be the best one to use. But I will be using this in one of the videos. But I'm going to try to do it in this video. Or this bag. So anyway, I have the big flower that's got all the pinks and kind of an amber middle, but I put a jump ring on it. It's not hanging real straight. So this one might have to be made into a brooch or glued onto a domino or a poker chip or something. We'll see. But I've got all kinds of cool stuff. I've got these bits of chain that have all the parts that I might be able to do something with. These bits of chain. I've made jewelry in the past where I put chain with little sections like this from old necklaces. So I've got a lot of great stuff here to work with. So we'll see what I can pull off. But I wanted to at least show you this charm bracelet I'm going to do. And I may put other beads in between, but I love these big chunky beads. This is Is that the drop one? I don't know. No, that's just one of the big. I only had 3 of these big pearls. So I'm going to use that in the middle. And then I've got these clears, or I may do all pearls. Well, that's a bigger one. Oh, it was these here. So what do you think? Do you like the pearl and the pink, or the pearl in the middle with the clear and the pink? I'm thinking I like the pearl better now that I see it. I also have one of these clear, and I could change that to that. But this is how I do this, is I just play with it till I like it. So this might be what I do here. Have the pink and the ends in the middle, and the translucent pink in the middle, and then the pearls, the 3 pearls. So I think that's what I might do. And then I can make matching earrings using the same beads. So I still have all these gorgeous beads to work with. I mean, this was a gorgeous bag. And I've got these. This one was beautiful, but it has 2 holes top and bottom, so I got to figure out how I'm going to use that. Not really sure yet. But anyway, so I wanted to get something to you tonight, so I got the keychain. I will show you how to make this keychain the next video, and I will also do the charm bracelet, at least 1 pair of earrings, and I will do the bookmark all in the next video. But I promised you something today, and since I might not be back till Thursday, although I'm hoping I'll get back tomorrow, I wanted to at least shoot something for you so you could see something I actually did with this jewelry. And then, isn't this gorgeous though? I love this with all the different beads. I was thinking of using this as a center of the necklace and adding chain at the ends. I've got this gorgeous brass chain here. Beautiful. So I don't know. I've got a lot of ideas whirring around my head. Once you get it laid out on the table, it really gets your brain going. So I'm going to do some pretty stuff for you. But I at least wanted to show you one project, and one project that I'm still working on. So I think this is what the charm bracelet's going to look like. Let me pull back, see what you think. And I'll be using bright silver head pins with the silver chain blank for this is my favorite. Curb chain is my favorite bracelet blank because it's easy to hook onto. And normally I'd put some charms, but I don't have any charms. This one bag, didn't even think about charms when I did these bags. Not a single charm in this bag. So, and I could hang this, but it would look dumb. It'd be too big, and it has 2 holes top and bottom. So I don't think that would work, you know. So I think we're just going to have a beaded bracelet. But like I said, I can match the earrings to it. So it'll be a set. So anyway, that's my tray. These are some golds in different sizes. And then we got the crystals in a couple sizes. And then down here I have the pearls. Let me get this chain out of the way. I got the pearls in several sizes. And I have this drop too. And just all kinds of pearls. The pearls, and this is the knotted pearls. The pearls that were knotted. I think they were the ones that had the Tree of Life charm on them. They're like on a waxed cord. So anyway, that's what I did. I hope I didn't shake you around too much. But I'm going to go now because my hand is having a hard time holding this. This has happened to me since I was young. I mean, every so often, if I don't eat right, if I eat too much sodium or drink too much diet soda and not enough water, my hands will do this. Also, if I work with them a lot, they'll do this. It'll be fine by tomorrow, I'm sure. But I wanted to at least get this off to you. So for me, this is short, under 10 minutes. I will be back either tomorrow or Thursday with the full tutorial on the bracelet and the keychain. And if you see anything in here and have an idea for me, throw it out there. You know, it's not set in stone what I'm doing. So if there's something you see on this table that you want me to do, I'll give it a try. So anyway, it might have to be more than one video though if we go too crazy. But if you guys don't mind a really long video, I can do several projects. But I'm already going to do the keychain, which is, let me show it to you again. Oh, here it is. I tried to do another one and it was not working for me. I actually tried to record making this keychain and my hands were just fumbling, so I finally gave up. So I'm going to show you how I made this. I'll make this not live, but I'll make it on in the video. Basically, I'll make it on the video. So it won't be a live video, but it'll be made on the video. So I won't make it and show it to you. I'll actually do it while I'm recording so you can see how I do it. And then I'll design the earrings and make those on the video as well. And the same with the bookmarks. So thank you so much, and we're heading toward 11 minutes, so I'm going to let you go, and I'm going to go get this uploaded. Thanks so much, you guys, for everything, and keep up the comments. I love your ideas. I love hearing from you. Please like my videos if you like them. If you haven't subscribed, I always appreciate subscribers. It really keeps me motivated when I know that people are watching. And that's the best way to know, when you see those numbers and you see comments. So thank you so much. Bye.